bitch. You need to get your wave redone. Fuck you. Fuck that bitch, slap that hoe. Fuck that bitch, kidnap that hoe. Fuck that bitch, put your fingers around her throat. Fuck that bitch and just choke, choke, choke. I hate bitches, but I love pussy. Cause they talk shit and they try to push me. Had a deaf hoe, thought she was the right one. Cause she couldn't talk, but the bitch kept writing. Note after note, complaining about my lifestyle. But sound like, when I put the pipe down. So I wrote, get the fuck out right now. And slap the bitch with last night's lifestyle. I'm an equal opportunity asshole. Handicapped or not, I treat the bitch like the last hoe. And fuck a lasso, cuffs and duct tape. I'm handing out razors, so bitch get your duck straight. Tried to fuck my homie, fuck that bitch. Can't make no macaroni, fuck that bitch. Thought I was a punk, fuck that bitch. So I put her in the trunk, fuck that bitch.
Murder Mike bitch said she had a friend. She said she wanna kick.
Nigga, call her then.
Talked to her for a second, said she looked like Sade. Bitch came through flat top like Kwame. But she said that the pussy was Bombay. Pull her panties down and it looked like an omelet. I said, bitch, your duck's been scrambled. And damn, them titties in shambles. So I told her to get.
Nigga, stop lying. You was on the couch beating that bitch.
Okay, I fucked, but the pussy was blunt. So I slapped her with my dick through the bitch in the trunk.
Fuck that bitch, slap that hoe. Fuck that bitch, kidnap that hoe. Fuck that bitch, put your fingers around her throat. Fuck that bitch, just choke, choke, choke. Tried to fuck my homie.
Fuck that bitch.
Can't make no macaroni.
Man, fuck that bitch.
Hair came from a pony.